Hi friend, welcome back to our new lesson. In this video, we will see how to work on a mail merge. Before going to start today's lesson, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button if you like this video. If you haven't watched my previous video on Excel, then go ahead and watch my previous video on Excel where you will learn basic on basic about Excel as well as advanced technique in Excel. Before going to start today's lesson, you should have two things on your desktop. First thing, you should have Excel sheet, and second thing, Word documents on your desktop. Here you can see one file 20 April 20 in which I have Excel. You can see a Excel sheet. Data are available. First, last name of candidate, email, contact, address, and country. Now, first of all, you should understand mail merge, use of mail merge. With the help of mail merge, you can send same letter to different candidate, and also you can mail to different candidate. Suppose, uh, let me show you. I have a Word documents here. I have something. You can see, I have a letter of appointment which I want to send to different candidate. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to first merge our Excel and Word together so that we can mail letter of appointment to the different candidate in a limited time. What we have to do, you have to select you can see mailings where you have to click, and here you can see two options: start mail merge, select recipient. What you have to do, you have to first understand about mail merge. Here you can say various options are available: letter, email, message, envelope, label, directory, normal Word document, and step by step mail merge wizard. So today I want to send mail. Okay, so I have to select the email. Okay, now I have selected. You can see change in letter of appointment. It is converted into email format. Now what we have to do, you have to select a recipient so that you can merge your Excel sheet with Word document. Now here you can see a few options: type a new list, use an existing list, choose from Outlook contacts. But already we have created uh, Excel, so we are using our existing Excel list. Just you need to click, and now you have to choose your file. Okay, here you can see a 20 April 20, and here you have to select your Excel file and open it. Okay, now single sheet is visible because I have created sheet single sheet in Excel. That's why single sheet is visible on selected tab. You have to click on this. Now your Excel and Word document both are you know merged together. Now what you have to do, you have to you want to add a address here. Okay, you want a address of candidate. Here you can see insert merge. What we have to do, you can see first name, last name, email, contact, address, and country. These options are visible because of our Excel sheet. We have mentioned these options in Excel sheet. You can see first, last name of candidate, email, contact, address, and country. These are already mentioned in Excel sheet. That's why these options are also visible in a insert field. Okay, now here you want a address. You have to select address. You want a first name of candidate and last name of candidate, and you want email address and contact number with country name. Now here you have seen uh, in a lecture that after a dear you have to mention a name of candidate. Here you want a name of candidate, first name of candidate and last name of candidate. Okay, you can see. And also at the end of letter you have to mention your first and last name of your complete name. You can say your complete name. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now everything is completed. Now you have to select next option so that everything will be converted into later. Now here you can see a previous result where you need to click. Now you can see change address, Krish Mohan Sharma candidate name with email ID and with mobile number and country name is visible. Now here you can see remaining all candidates by just clicking next record. Here you can say Delhi Vivek Chaube, Gorakhpur Raghav Chaube, Punjab Shubham Chaube, Bihar Shivam Roy and MP Abhishek Mahajan. Now everything is set up. We are at the end of this video and we need to finish this mail merge. Here you can see another last finish and merge where you can see a few options individual. You can edit with the help of this edit individual document. With you can edit individual letter of appointment, and you can, if you want to take out your letter of appointment, you can take out. Okay, print out. And if you want to send mail, you can send mail. Okay, now here when I click on this send mail, okay, here you can see few options. In the to section, I want to send letter of appointment through email. Okay, in a subject line you have to mention a letter of appointment. Okay, now here you can select a format. You can select attach, plain text, but I'm selecting HTML. You can select as per your convenience. There is no doubt on this. Okay, now you have to click on OK. When you click on OK, you will see few changes here. Okay, now click. Now you can see my mail is done. Okay, now I hope guys you are aware about this technique, and now you can show your talent in your company and you will get growth in your career. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.